Good day, sir. I am Pinchan Haswi. Today, I will discuss the parts and functions of the car. And I will discuss first the exterior function. So first, the headlight. This is the headlight. Helps you see the road at night or in dark places. Next, license plate. This is the license plate. Shows the car's registration number for identification. Next, indicator light. This is the indicator light. Box to show the direction when turning. Next is a windshield. This is the windshield. The front glass that protects the driver and passengers from wind, dust, and debris. Next, the outside mirror. This is the outside mirror. Lets the driver see the vehicles or at the behind. Next is the door handle. This is the door handle. It's used to open and close the car, like this. Next is the wheel support. This is the wheel support. Helps the car move, supports the vehicle's weight. Next, the window. This is the window. Allows you to see outside and open for air. Next is the roof. Roof is the top of the parts of the car that protects passengers from sun and air. Thank you, sir. And next is the interior function of the car. Steering wheel. This is the steering wheel. Used by the driver to control and turn the direction of the car. And next is the speedometer display. This is the speedometer display. This one. It shows how fast the car is moving. 3. The accelerator gas. This is the accelerator gas. Makes the car go faster when passed. 4 is ignition key. This is the ignition key. Used to start the car. Next is the seat belt. This is the seat belt. Keeps the driver and passenger safe during sudden stop or accidents. Next, brake. This is the brake, the middle one. Brake used to slow down or stop the car. Next is the gear shift lever. And this is the gear shift lever. Used to change gear. Next is the handbrake. This is the handbrake. Keeps the car from moving when parking. Next is rear view mirror. This is the rear view mirror. Lets the driver see the road and vehicle behind the car. Next is the horn. This is the horn. It is used to alert or warn the other driver or other people on the road. And that's all. Thank you.